New day, who this? Well, this is a brand new day. So day number 4, or this is day number 3 on the road. It might be day number 3 on the road. We are now currently trying to figure out how to the dolly down, like these little pieces right here to push down. Now look at our little baby ramps. They're so cute, but I'm sure they're going to be a lot helpful, other than the little pieces of wood that they gave us the last time to hook up on this thing, and that really didn't help. I mean, it helped a little bit, but it still need a little bit more oomph, you know what I mean? And so since I believe that for some odd reason, I watch like everybody else's videos, and let me know if I'm wrong. I watched everybody else's videos, and on their hitch they had a lock piece that allowed this part, the little whatchamacallit parts, to come down on the ground. Now we don't have that, and I don't see it. At least I don't see it. You know what I mean? Like, I don't think this is the piece at all, because I think this is just attached to this. So I don't want to unscrew that, and that's a whole lot anyway. But I'm gonna cut those little cords off, because they were actually supposed to hook to the lights, so that the way that the lights can attach to the car, so when I make stops, turns, clickers, beepers, it'll attach to the back of the lights that are going to be sitting on top of the car. So, but we already have some extra ones to put in with the adapter, and we finally got a little adapter, yay. And so we just plugged those up, but for right now I don't need those, so we're gonna go ahead and take those off. We went ahead and attached these straps already, because the originals obviously broke. So this is what ended up happening to the original straps, and why the car ended up falling off. Do y'all see this? There is no hook. It's supposed to have a hook like this one. Where's the hook? There's no more hook. It probably fell off with the car too. So those aren't particularly the ones that we need for the RV itself, because as you can see, it's already stripped so bad, y'all. This is so bad. We should have known that we shouldn't have put our car. What is this holding? Nothing but itself to annoy somebody. But yes, this whole thing strap piece just snapped. And these, however, are a lot more sturdier. So we have some red ones, and we also have some yellow ones. But I like these a lot better, because it has the basket to the wheel. So that way that it can, if y'all know what I mean, the little basket piece. I'm trying to straighten it out so you can see what I'm talking about. It's going the opposite direction right now, because it's not supposed to be like that. But once I straighten it out, because it's not supposed to be tangled or anything, but it has like the little basket straps. And I kind of like these better to wrap around your car. I feel like it's a bit more secure versus whatever the heck he did with these, because obviously this wasn't secure at all. And so we have to get our car up here. But we don't know how. We went ahead and unattached it already. And so I'm not really sure how we are supposed to push this down. And one of us wants to be able to hold it down. Well, pull this thing up, holding it up. So that way, as you can see, it can hit the ground. But I'm kind of nervous at doing that, because I don't want, as you can see, I'm holding it up right now. Good gracious, this shit kind of heavy, so I'm gonna put her right back down. Yeah, let's just put her back down. Boom. So I'm putting it right back down on the thing, but I can't sit it on top of this, because this is a light and it's nothing secure enough for me to hold this piece on top of this. And I just don't think it's smart for somebody to hold it. I mean, if we had another gentleman over here to do it, by all means, show up, pull up. I'm here for it. So that way I ain't got to do a damn thing. But nevertheless, so the trick is being able to push the pulleys down to the ground, so that way we can drive it up. Because if it hits the ground, we don't need these two yellow things. We're not going to need them at all. And then we could be able to push the car up, allow the wheels to hit in here, boom. Then go ahead and attach these pieces to the hooks. So that way, when we wrap it around the wheel, boom, there's the strap bed. Wrap it around the wheel, she'll be able to be strapped in. But I think we got it. I think we're gonna figure it out, and hopefully I can show y'all how we gonna do this thing. But nevertheless, here we are, gathered here today, figuring it out. We're definitely trying. We're doing the best that we can for the most part, but we're gonna figure it out. So it's some trucks that are out here, and hopefully there is another gentleman that comes by, because yesterday when we were trying to unhook this piece right here, the little covering piece on that side, there was this nice gentleman, veteran, shout out to all my veterans out there, who came and helped us out. He was super sweet, super kind, and he had all of the tools. And not trying to be funny, for my tool girls out here, hi sweetie, hi. So, oh, that's a cop, maybe he could help us out. No, I don't want him to help us out. But nevertheless, he came and he helped us put the help us with the screws and stuff, because he had this one little tool. And not trying to be funny, I forgot all about Harbor and Freight. I never thought about that place because I felt like it was a place for, you know, and I just never went in there. I think it's like a cross between, the way that he was describing it, it's giving Marshalls for the tool goers out here. And since I've been like building and taking apart stuff and putting stuff together, I've been obsessed with tools now. So y'all, I'm turning into a type of girl. Like, I'm still a girly girl, don't get me wrong. But baby, I'm gonna build me a house. I'm gonna build it with my own two hands. I'm gonna build certain things because I know how to do them. And I'm not afraid to take the risk to learn how to pick up a saw, to pick up some tools, some anything to put it together. Because my sister is almost the same way. Like, she likes putting stuff together, and I never understood why she did, to be honest. But since I've been like modeling this house, as well as fixing up my car and all the other cars that we have, because I think we have 3 cars, and so each of them needed work, and we've worked our asses off on these cars, for real. And I feel like, oh, and it's very satisfying. It's actually really fun to learn as well as to do it yourself. So I'm like, all right, y'all, let's do it. And yeah, so I'm trying to stay warm out here because it is kind of chilly. Happy election day. I went ahead and voted early. I had to vote absentee ballot because I'm not in my home state right now. So I definitely sent my votes in. So make sure that y'all go ahead and vote today. Today is the day to vote. And I'm excited. So, all right, y'all. I'll be back. Bye.
One of these things is not like the other. This whole contraption is all rusted and brown.
Yeah, it is.
What's not like the other?
Tools. No, not like that. But look around. Something doesn't look right.
Come here. Right where we, yep, that's it. Yep. You see it. You
so
see
it.
It
is the
you see it.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
What? That's what I was thinking.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying.
So it's not, that's not the piece to keep the whatchamacallit on.
I mean, he said it's gonna lower it.
Oh, yay. So it was. Okay, you guys, we were right. I kept thinking that I wasn't. I second guessed myself, and I shouldn't second guess myself because we was right. So I literally just said that in the, that's so funny. But there it goes. Okay, so we loosen her up, and then it puts it down. Hell, he could have did that shit the last time. He wanted to use the goddamn pieces of raggedy wood.
I mean, he did that with the wood. You're gonna still need the wood. You're still gonna need wood. Cool. So both 3/4, but different sizes of the ratchet, so I can hold it on each end so it don't spin. Lock it. Then maybe it won't spin, huh?
You're having a little bit too much fun with this.
I got 2. Alright, there's that long, baby.
Bam.
Alright, he says take that.
So now we're just going to go ahead and pull the RV up forward some, so that way that we can be able to push this one all the way down. So we got this one down on the ground already, which actually helps a lot when we put our car on. So hopefully you see how this one is not quite down on the ground like that one is. And I'm theorizing because it does look a kind of catacorner. Hopefully this works, and we'll see you guys on the other side. Boom.